We say, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Yo, from Cali to Hawaii. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Watch it. Baby, you're the baddest thing around the block. The way you work your hips around the clock. How do you stay petite, oh? Swang on like in the body so illegal. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Wanna make you mine, oh mine, oh mine. There's been something I've been trying to tell you all this time. Honey, you give me butterflies every time you pass my way, girl. It's something I can't deny. I just wanna live in your world. If only you really try. Just follow me, no one would never lie. You give me butterflies, butterflies, butterflies. You got me doing things I don't do. Constantly trying to get to know you, but it's hard to find some time with a girl who shines so bright. She's certified player, thick around the waist, pretty little face, living everyone amazed. I just don't want a taste, I want the whole thing. Yeah, yeah. Every time you pass my way, girl, it's something I can't deny. I just wanna live in your world. If only you really try.
Hey guys. Pulled up to our accommodation.
This is our house.
Yeah, this is our house for the
week.
For the time being.
Oh, for 3 days.
Yep. Le Vasa, baby. Traditional fale things, you know, wooden roofs and whatnot.
So here, we eat dinner here.
Yeah.
We sit here.
We probably won't be eating dinner. Probably won't be sitting there.
This is the kitchen.
This is our kitchen.
This is our fruit.
5-star hotel kitchen. Oh wow.
Look at, taste this banana.
Salmon bananas.
Yeah, baby.
Thanks. But they're like small as. Look at. Like.
You ready?
Cheers. What? But that's like a lolly.
Uh-huh.
Bro, that. Yo, we need to get more of those. Holy. The hell is this?
Pineapple.
The hell is this? The hell is this thing? Or someone already ate this thing. What is this? Lychee?
Yeah, it's like it's practically lychee. Yeah, it is lychee. Yeah, look at this.
Oh my gosh, what the freaking heck is that?
You don't eat the middle though.
I don't really want to eat it,
But let's have a scoop of pawpaw.
Yeah. Okay.
Pawpaw straight from Samoa.
Fresh, bro. We got a fresh fruit basket straight away.
Okay.
Bro, watch that. It's nice. I didn't like pawpaw though. I didn't even know what it tastes like. What does it taste like?
It's just sweet.
It is sweet. Bro, look. You'd think this water's cold. It's not.
It's just humid. This is so good.
Well, that's bloody hectic. Hey. But there's like coconut, like just on the floor, like just over there. I don't know if you can see us by their villa. All of a sudden I'm a vlogger, bro. I never done this a day in my life, and now look at me. Oh, just as I was saying, check this humongous thing out. Hey, this has got water in it.
Look up top.
Oi, that's a hazard, you know. We'll just leave that here. It's pretty massive. Thumbnail. No. Check this place out, man. Beautiful Samoa. Oh, look, there's a crab there.
The canoes are down there.
Canoes over there. We'll suss that out and see. There's our bungalow right there, whatever.
Let's go get the other half.
Okay, I say we do too. Hey, what's good, baby? We're just passing the airport actually. That's actually what we're doing. But
We dropped our suitcases. That's the police station just down there.
that's the police station. Holy. Bro, we're just exploring, to be honest, though.
Yeah. First day in Samoa.
First day
How's
in
it
Samoa.
so far?
I love it, eh? I love this place already. And I know I'm coming back. Yeah, we're just cars overtaking us.
We're gonna buy some Elon lovers probably.
Yep, definitely. Buy some eating lovers. Go check out maybe some eating spots.
Yeah. I'm hungry. Oh.
I'm hungry.
And we'll probably get a taxi.
No. Oh yeah, taxi. What? Bro, that is insane.
Look how they all have their own design.
Yeah, they like pimp up their own bus. That's so crazy.
Wow, look, this place is under construction. We're just trying to connect to bloody Bluetooth and it's not even in English, as you can see.
Yeah, DMC. Yeah, DMC and I don't actually know where the heck we are. Over there, that sign over there says Lealty Gas. So here's the whoop. Holy. Some Limas. Some taxis here. Bundaberg. Oh, but check out all these chips too, man. Oh, this place is hectic. I feel like just taxi. Yeah, we might as well get a taxi. I'll get. Yeah, what one's good?
I like the blue one.
I'll get orange. Hey, also we just finished going for a little bit of a food shopping.
Yeah, because we're starving.
We haven't eaten. This will be our first.
We just got it from DMC. We just got a chicken meal.
Apparently DMC is pretty good.
Look, this is the piece of chicken I got.
Holy smokes!
Yo, we got some taxis.
First DMC chips. Have a look.
Get ready.
Yeah, let's go.
I want to try my
They're good. Bro, and the service on this place,
a serving is
maybe under 1 minute and we got our food.
Yeah.
No cap. Okay, let's have a geese.
Bang.
Holy smokes. Yo, DMC is it. Wow. Bro, this drumstick is like from a horse. Wow. Yeah. That? Yeah. What do you rate it?
Coming from Samoa, you know.
Yeah.
Like,
Check that
I
out.
feel like an 8.
8, bro, easy 8.
Oh, this tastes like homemade fried
Yeah.
chicken, you know.
Yeah.
I like that it doesn't taste like KFC.
It's time for a drink.
I got a blue taxi.
Orange taxi,
Oh.
and it's orange. I don't know how to bloody open this. Beauty. Oh, that's all good, thank you. Bro, this little girl came was like, what did that look like, luau?
No, it's sea grapes inside.
Sea grapes? Bro, she just came and knocked on our window and offered us sea grapes, bro.
Oh, I just drank. Yeah.
What do you rate it?
Oh, it's normal. The glass Coke is where it's at. It's Fanta Coke.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. So we got this orange. Hey, that's not bad. Hey, that tastes like Coke. Oh, Fanta. Big ass piece of chicken.
Like a thumbnail. Look at that.
But these are unnecessarily big. Like they've been growing their chickens over here. But that little girl, I can't believe it. But straight up, I'm done here.
Do you feel energy now?
Do you feel energy? What do you feel?
You feel that energy?
Oh. No, yeah, I do. But it's been a long day.
So we took that off the list.
Yep.
So you rate this?
Aulele chips. Crunchy Island faves. Banana chips.
Banana.
100% local organic plantation.
Yep.
Bro, big banana chips. I hope they're chicken flavored.
No, they're not.
Oh yeah, so they're just normal banana chips.
Cheers.
Olele chips from some local grocer.
Yeah.
Okay, let's run it. Is these gas? Or they ass?
You don't like them?
They're gas. I love these. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. The
Perfect.
flavoring is pretty hectic. It's like bland, but it's not bland.
Yeah. I like it because like you can taste the banana. There's some of them you can just taste the salt.
Yeah.
No.
But I can't believe we're in Samoa and like usually we're watching people and they're in Samoa, but
Yeah, shout out to V.
yo, shout out to my also rich dad.
Shout out to Becca. We watch your YouTube and you inspired us, so here we are.
Yo, we're just name dropping everyone. Hey yo, but that's us. We're flipping. But that's our first feed in Samoa.
We haven't even made it to the bloody town.
Bro, we were on our way to the town and bloody the cops were overtaking us. Everyone was overtaking us. I was thinking, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try about that. Maybe tomorrow. Just started raining, so not too sure what we're gonna get up to, but whatever it is, we'll see you guys there. Yo, morning fans, just got our day bag ready. Got it ready for the morning. Getting ready. And it's a not bad morning this morning. Went for a swim last night. Drank a local taxi, orange taxi. How good. Yo. Walking through the bush. Where are we going?
Yeah, breakfast.
Breakfast, eh?
And then we're gonna go later on to Siumu.
Go to Cheehoo later. Have a swim.
We can't swim like now because it's Sunday. So after 4 we can go swim.
You know it. Oh yeah, still getting used to this vlogging things. What it do, baby? Cool over there.
Breakfast is open. Look at that authentic Samoan breakfast.
Here's the whip.
Yeah, here's the whip. And I'm not driving, so
So get on the other side, girl. We spent maybe 20 minutes trying to get this thing ready, so look, people just overtake you here, mate.
Yep.
Bloody, they do as they please.
They're gonna be late for church, that's why.
Yeah, no.
What's this? Primary school. There's a dairy there. Everything's pretty close.
Everyone's walking to church. No, none of this driving to church over here.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see you at breakfast, everyone. Do that.
Just please don't break my heart, oh baby. From sundown to sundown, I'll be right here by your side. Time is a girl for the rest of my life.
We just pulled up to actually our village. What's it called?
Just the
The
dairy.
mart. Yeah, the dairy, the local dairy. But we thought it was cool. It had a sign, so we had to stop over here, man. This place is beautiful. The locals. It's Sunday, so everyone's going to church. Flipping out here, baby. Hey.
Let's go get a drink.
Yeah, good drink. What else we need to do?
We got the essentials,
Got the essentials.
just in case. Which one? Should we get this one?
Just did a bit of shopping. Got some chips and whatnot. Get a bit of drink because it's bloody getting hot already. That little dog just over there is under our car. Here's our car. Bro, the flipping shop look lit here, man. Bro, how good, man. But yeah, it's a big ass Catholic church. I think that's a Catholic church. Big mowing over there. Let's get the drone up and see what we can see. Oh yeah.
Feeling a little low, what you feel in my own love, iliva yipi uupu ole muanga na. Se ilunga ete mo ilo fala, be malulu te mo e mafana fana.
We just got to my, this is actually my village over here. We are.
What is it?
Top of 404.
Nice.
Yeah, so here's our sign up here. Talking 404 road. It's Sunday right now.
17.
So we just first day exploring the city. Nice day actually, and it's a bit humid. We're at our village. We there, baby. So yeah, we're just gonna get the drone up, get some footage.
Samoa, Maupo, Mai, Iepe, Oletoloa, Pelele Ife, I'm a Olava Ilivai. Samoa.
That cafe, it's like an art museum as well. Just pulled up. It's like we're on top of the flipping mountain. Got my wife here, bro. It's like tropical. How good. Cafes up there. But yeah, so we're just gonna.
What is it called? It's Tiapapata.
Tiapapata Cafe. Freaking stay here.
It's a tiny house.
How sick. Oh, look at that. Well, let's go check this out. We'll see you guys in a bit. Look at this dog. Sick little place. What do you think you're gonna get?
I'm gonna get
I reckon the jam. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, let's go, baby. So we just got our breakfast. This is our breakfast for the day. What did you get? Oatmeal
with fruit
oatmeal pancakes with fruit. That's banana, pawpaw,
and homemade caramel sauce.
and she got a chocolate wrap. And this is called sasalapa. It was so good I had to get two. Tastes like Fijo, eh? And I just got some eggs, bread, salad, butter, baby. This place is sick, man. What a spot. Bro, you're black ass, eh? No cap, no kizzy. Yeah, we're on the top of
TFT.
Let's go, baby. Just finished breakfast over at the shed over there. Dogs laying around, the locals, you know. We just found this little place. Well, it's just over the road, but check this place out, man. Look at me. This place is hectic. Little cultural area. Pretty cool. Pretty lit in here. Check this out. Always recording the dog. Nits. Steep ass hill because we're up in the middle of nowhere. Now we're off to my wife's village, Siumu. So that's where we ate. For the breakfast out of 10, it was a good 7 out of 10. I got some eggs, you guys should have saw, but yeah, it's pretty hectic. Flipping humid as ever. Let's go. We off, baby. Oh, that dog's got no leg. Holy smokes. So yeah, we're out here on our way to Siumu. But we just had to make a little pit stop. Bro, we're like right on the mountain peak right now. Yeah, we pulled up to this place here. It's called Papapaitai Waterfall. Hello! I don't even know who that guy was. Everyone just waves out here. So we stopped over at this flipping hectic spot. Bro, it's like crazy. You'll see in a sec. But yeah, here's our whip. Here's their number plates if you never seen their number plates. Hey, rent a car. Bro, let's check this spot out. Bro, look at that, man. Check that out, eh? Holy. I don't know if it shows how crazy big that is. And we'll get the drone up and... Bro, look at the greenery in here, man. Look. It's insane. We'll get you guys up in the air. Have a look. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon. you hear that? Bro, check this place out, man. We're at my wife's village. We just got here. Check this out. Look. Hey, bro, how good, man. Bro, check out this place, man. I was like, oh, it's so, like, because we're in Gua, it's so empty, bro. Like, we're on the other side of the mountain. Papapaitai Siumu. Oh, that's a lit sign. Oh yeah, check that out.
And the
Yeah, so we're gonna definitely be rolling around and gonna take some photos, some of the locals. But how good. So yeah, let's head over to Siumu, go see the fams and a bit baby.
Where are we?
Check me out. We're at Siumu. Finally at the village.
Yeah, look at the vibe.
Holy.
What time is it?
3 o'clock. 3:05. We just pulled up.
1:05. Yeah, we can't go swim until 4.
This place is so cool.
So we're just here.
You're just exploring around.
So here's the meeting house. Never seen it finished. I go see my nana and grandpa. How are you, right? Still loving the rocks.
Right, the rocks are fucking everywhere.
Look how nice this is. Oh, they locked it. That's my grandpa and grandma. That's my great grandpa and grandma.
That's sick, eh? We loving it?
Yeah. Look at this.
This place is crazy.
How cool.
Or how cool are they? Man,
Hot, alright.
it's hot as here, man.
They're not even sweating.
Zilla!
Too hot.
Oh, hot, man.
Hot. I'm gonna try cover.
Thank you. Just drink it, eh?
Yeah. Yum.
It's like, I don't know what it tastes like, eh?
Samoa.
It's fresh, man. The boys, eh? Let me. Let's go. What if I fall in?
Sit down.
That water's so cold, eh? Tastes like Samoa, I guess. Fresh Samoa water.
Yeah. How
Oh,
good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, yeah.
Oi, hi.
Hey, yo, what's good? I'm here with Base. What's up?
Look at over there.
What's that? Is that the baptism of fun?
Yeah.
No way. It's outside?
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
Okay.
Wait, how far's the shops from here?
My name is Abesh.
Rolling with the crew in Samoa.
Yeah. I was so angry. You know what? While I was at
Say what's up.
I had to like hold on. Like I had to cry. Because like I'm looking at it. I'm
Check
like,
this
oh my
place
gosh,
out,
I
man.
need to be there.
Tell me I feel like some way. You look at me as something crazy, yeah. Got me all up in my feels, getting jiggy with it. I shoot my shot at me, don't miss with you, baby, yeah. Boy, everything is real what I do when it comes to you. I be the man you often want me to. I lose my mind all the time just thinking of you. I'm always gonna gun for you, cause I really like kinda want you. Done to me, I can't really explain it. Oh, me, I forget me, I find to you. Girl, I really like kinda want you. Done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm Jay, she my fiance. She up better than Beyonce. Close to you like Peter Andre. Showing how I feel it's on you, that's my lady. She have a special for me. Why the one who wants me down, she never let me down. She telling me she's proud of me. I'm better when she around by my side, oh. She my ride and die while I say, really like kinda want you. Done to me, I can't really explain it. Oh, me, I forget me, I find you. I really feel like kinda want you. Done to me, I can't really explain it. Oh, me, I forget me, I find you.
When you had my son and the sons, I was lit. Daddy make the way so my son can have a drip. Camera in my hand, but I could never picture this. Especially a woman who I share a picture with. The woman in my heart, that for everything I own. As long as I'm on this earth, you'll never be all alone. When you're not feeling strong, don't worry, I'm made of stone. Lean on me when you sad, I'll happily take us home. She was down with me before I was the oos. Before I made $1 from rap, telling the truth. I just really wanna thank you. This a true story. Drew Deasy, American gangster. She accept me and my certain set of friends. Bring me back to focus and she tell me that I'm him. For that there ain't enough money I could ever spend. How you feel about both our names? Had Kelly on the ends.
Really like kinda want you. Done to me, I can't really explain it. Oh, me, I forget me, I find to you. I really feel like kinda want you. Done to me, I can't really explain it. Oh, me, I forget me, I find to you. When you do it like that, me keep it come back, wanna hit a replay. When you do it like that, me keep it come back, wanna hit a replay. When you do it like that, me keep it come back, wanna hit a replay. When you do it like that, me keep it come back, wanna hit a replay. Me and I really